stop. Have you ever tried to fix something in complete darkness? You force broken pieces together and only end up hurting yourself more. That is what happens when we try to repair our lives without Allah. We try to control futures we cannot see. We carry broken plans inside our chest, then wonder why our soul feels exhausted. But notice what happens when dawn finally arrives. The light does not fight the darkness. It simply enters, quietly, softly, and suddenly, what felt hopeless becomes clear again. Maybe Allah has been repairing your life silently, while you thought nothing was changing. Maybe you are carrying years of regret, mistakes nobody knows about, prayers you delayed, sins you wish you could erase. And sometimes the memories return so heavily that your chest hurts. You whisper, maybe I went too far. But listen carefully. You are measuring divine mercy with a human ruler, and human mercy has limits. Allah's mercy does not. Do not despair of the mercy of Allah. Indeed, Allah forgives all sins. Every tear you cried alone, every silent breakdown was seen by Allah. Maybe the loneliness was not punishment. Maybe Allah was guiding your soul back to Him. Allah is the architect of your destiny, but we panic because we only see what is missing. Allah sees the entire picture. Sometimes Allah removes things from your life, not because they had no value, but because they were slowly destroying your peace. You mourn what left, while Allah protects what remains inside your soul. And one day, you may thank Allah for the things He did not allow to stay. Right now, Allah is healing parts of you that even you cannot reach. Your job was never to control everything. Your job was simply to return to Allah. Maybe you cried during sujood. Maybe you whispered His name while your heart was breaking, and Allah heard every word. Now comes the difficult part, trusting Him while the answer still hasn't arrived, because healing does not always arrive like lightning. Sometimes it arrives like dawn, slowly, quietly. The healing began the moment your soul said, Ya Allah, I leave everything to you. You have been fighting for so long, pretending to be okay, pretending not to feel tired, but Allah never asked you to carry everything alone. So rest now, not because life is perfect, but because Allah is handling what you cannot. Let Him heal what broke you. You do not need all the answers tonight. You only need to know that Allah has not forgotten you. And if this message reached your heart tonight, then write in the comments, Ya Allah, I trust your timing.